Hello guys, welcome back to this channel once again. On today's video, we will take you through the road project that's ongoing from Amawbia in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, up to Ekwulobia. Okay, but we are just going to show you one section or some parts of the sections of this ongoing construction on this road. And please endeavor to watch this video to the end so that you get the full gist of what we are talking about and so you understand more. So what this current government is doing, or what this current administration is doing in Anambra State, is really impressive and quite encouraging. You see, when we say that Anambra State is a construction site, we meant what we are saying, and we'll keep exposing this project size on this channel until you get to understand what we are talking about. Well, at the moment, Anambra State is a construction site, and that is why we'll keep bringing to you all these projects back to back on this channel. So what you are seeing here is a drainage construction, and what you are seeing also is a reflection of what is happening in Ekwulobia or at Ekwulobia. You see, there is a flyover that's under construction at Ekwulobia, and this flyover has brought about the expansion of the roads, and that is what is reflecting at this side of Anambra State. You see, from the conception of these roads, there was never a drainage around it. So this administration has seen it fit to begin the construction of drainage system from Ekwulobia up till the capital city of Anambra State, which is Awka. So where we are in right now is at Amawbia, and this is the road that leads from Amawbia up to Ekwulobia, all in Anambra State, Nigeria. So what we are seeing here is they are trying to excavate the land so that they can open up the road. I mean this the drainage system, to get it fixed. So what you are seeing here is the excavator digging up the soil so that it will be easier for the for constructing of the drainage system. And this is just one section of what is happening along this road. So from here we'll also go to another section of the road, and that is around the Nise-Agolo axis, so that you also see what is happening around those areas. And all of these places you are seeing, all these roads you are passing through, they are going to create a drainage system on these roads. As you can see, there are no drainage on these roads. Since its conception, there was no drainage, and I must tell you the fact, Anambra have never had it like this before. What is happening in Anambra today has never happened in Anambra before. This is the first time Anambra is experiencing such rapid development in virtually every aspect of the economy. What Anambra is experiencing right now is a total turnaround. A total turnaround. And this is a very how do I put it? I would say it's a very good and recommendable act from the current administration in Anambra State. That is the Soludo administration. And I must tell you this. If this current administration continues to work the way it is working now, I bet you this would be the best administration to ever govern Anambra State. Soludo will make the best governor that has ever governed Anambra State, and this will really take him very far in politics. There is nothing to criticize at this point because the work that is going on is very visible, very visible. Go through our channels and we'll keep bringing them to you continuously. You will keep seeing various projects that has been undertaken by this current administration. This is not a mercy. That is why we keep bringing them to you back to back on this channel. So what we are saying right now is Anambra State is progressing. Under this administration, Anambra State is progressing. Anambra State is prospering. Anambra State is soaring higher and higher every day. Notwithstanding the economic crisis in this country, notwithstanding the financial situations, the hardship, but the government is doing its best, and also the people are also doing their best to see that we keep soaring high. This is Anambra State, the light of the nation, and what we are bringing to you is we are bringing it live and direct just the way it is. Let's stop blaming the presidency. Let's stop blaming the House of Assembly members, the Senate, this, that. The problems we have in this country is not the federal government, but is the state governments. When you start holding the state governments accountable, when you start holding them accountable, then you start seeing results. Go to Abia State today. The story is different. Come to Anambra State today. The story is also different. Yes, Anambra is prospering and Anambra is progressing under this administration with no doubt. Without any doubt, Anambra is progressing. I must tell you this, Anambra is progressing. Go through our channel, go through other videos we have done. You would understand what I am talking about. So you can see at this section, just in between Nise and Agbolo town, this is what is happening also at this section of the road. Opening up every part of Anambra State, making sure that every part of Anambra State is receiving life. This is what a government should be. There is no sentiment. There is no this government is not a sentimental government. It's not a biased government. From what we have seen so far, it has included every part of Anambra State, carrying every town and every community along. And this is quite impressive and recommendable. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel already, please do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share and like this post. Also, don't forget to click on the notice bell down below so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to get to know about it. We are still at Nise town and this is what is happening right now. Don't forget to watch this video to the end so that you will also see the action of this administration on Anambra roads. Thank you and God bless you for watching up to this point. Stick on this channel on our next epic video coming your way. Bye for now.